demo of subscription management platform. If you are a tuition teacher, if you are own a sports academy, you own a crash. Literally, you collect fees on a regular basis for anything. If you're a sports coach, or a football coach, or a tuition teacher, or a PG owner, we are here to help you manage your academy, manage your sports center, manage your things. In this demo of 10 minutes, I'm going to show you our software product. You can see mobile app on the right side. You can also see the web version of the app here. Let's get started. I've logged into the web application with the mobile number and OTP. I'm going to give you an overview of features what we have here. What we do at the heart of it is a payment collection. There might be a lot of subscription businesses. If you are a tuition teacher, if you are a chess academy, if you are a dance academy, a music academy, or anything like for that matter, if you are collecting payments on a repeated basis, then we are here to help you. I'm going to show you multiple products that we have. One of it is subscriptions. The other one is events and offer. And the third one, what we have a lead management platform called Inflow. And we also help with your bookkeeping of import and export data so that you can actually file your returns properly and your CAs have very less time and spent on you, and then you can focus on certain improvements of your game. There is a typical settings where you can actually give certain roles to your team and all. Now, before going into thick of the things and wasting time, I think let me actually focus on subscriptions. Right, what is a subscription? A subscription is, as you know, like I think anything for which you charge periodically. You can take a subscription for Zumba classes, you can take a subscription for gym, you can take a subscription for music academy, or anything for that matter. If you are collecting money like on a monthly basis, then HoSaksham is here for solving your problems. Now let's understand different types of subscriptions. Hey, I'm running a preschool. I collect the money from my pupils on a monthly basis. I'm running a sports center, tuition centers, fitness academies, or rentals for that matter. I collect the fees on a monthly basis. Now, is it only monthly that you have? No, we do support a lot of things. We have multi-month, what we call it as flexi month. We have quarterly fee collection, we have semester fee collection, we have custom plan of 1 year or 2 year or whatever it may be. You just say like number of days and you can start collecting money for that. We also have a special type of subscription called count based. In a count based subscription, you just look for the number of people purchase 10 classes. At the end of 10 classes, they again purchase another set of 10 classes. For the sake of demo, I'm going to create a fitness academy called Apurva Fitness. And in Apurva Fitness, there is a batch for seniors here. So what is the price? The price is, let us say, 3,000 rupees. What is the registration fee? Right now I'm not adding anything. You can add 1,000 rupees as a registration fee if you want. What is the search location? Apurva Fitness. I hope something like that. Yeah, it is there. We are going to talk to them. We also have a WhatsApp link. So what is that? So most of the people who today collect fee payments, they collect with WhatsApp links. So they send a QR collect request over WhatsApp. So typically you might have a group where you are collecting the payments right now. If you want to add the people who actually join here automatically, you can probably give the group ID here so that it will come as an invite. I'm going to add the subscription. There are some advanced features for the interest of the time, like I think we're not going to go deep into that. Alright, I created one batch Apurva Fitness. Now there are multiple things here, so I'm going to add myself, Aditya, as one of the customer. Someday, like Aditya walks in and says that I want to join your gym. 9740765680. Now In case of Aditya, like I think Aditya said he needs a discount, so we're going to charge him only 2,500 monthly and overall 3,500 for because monthly price is 2,500. There's an interesting note here. Subscriber will be charged 3,500 now because the first month there is a registration fee and followed by 2,500 every month. All right, if I have a photo of Aditya I can add here, otherwise I'll just add it. Now I added Aditya, immediately is marked as active, and then like he's got an invoice. Let's see what happened to Aditya. So Aditya is your customer and Aditya got a welcome message. Hey, thank you for choosing HoSaksham. You're subscribed. Why is it HoSaksham? In this case, instead of HoSaksham, if it is your academy, it will be your name. You are subscribed to Sherin's Dance Academy. We are excited to have is one thing. 1 minute. Sorry, like thank you for choosing HoSaksham. So you subscribe to Apurva Fitness. This is what where we have added. We're excited to have you on a board. There is also a group invite link which helps Aditya to join the existing group. Right now it's a customer group that I have. You can keep any group ID that you want Aditya to join. Now, hey, I got one more message. Aditya, may invoice for Apurva Fitness. You are subscribed to with Coaching Academy. Please review and play 3,500. If you have any questions regarding the invoice, contact us. Now, wow, I think 3,500 rupees invoice is raised, right? Aditya can actually click the link and go ahead with the payment here, right? Using pay now, automatically with the razor pay, like I think the payment will be made and everything will be taken care. Suppose it's a 3,500 rupees. They can click like this, they can go to GPay. Right now you'll not be able to see like I think what I'm making a payment here. So I'm making a payment of 3,500 here. For the sake of demo, I would not want to make a payment of 3,500. Let's make it only 10 rupees right now. I just made it 10 rupees. This is a scenario where I think your invoice amount can be adjusted. For instance, you raised an invoice incorrectly, you want to adjust it, you can edit the invoice. Now what happened? Aditya got another invoice for 10 rupees. Now I'm going to go ahead and make a payment. So if you see what happens, so Aditya is making a payment of 10 rupees. It's going on. So we don't have to wait a long time. It's a GPay, automatically done. Aditya just now made a payment of 10 rupees. So magically, if you see what happened, like this is automatically marked as paid. You can also, you might have noticed that like there is a batch called HoSaksham Subscriptions here. Because we are using our account, so it's coming as HoSaksham Subscriptions. For a small fee, we can create a branding for yourself. We work with Facebook to create a personalized brand for you. Let us say in this case it will be Apurva Fitness here. Apurva Fitness will send the invoice and then you make a payment there. Now why is it coming as unsettled? We use Razor Pay for handling the transactions and payment things. So what happens is we give 2 times settlement. When you look at the statistics, you see that like I think hey 10 rupees is paid, but it is not yet come to your account. Why it has not come to your account? We give settlement 2 times in a day, morning 11 a.m. and evening 6 p.m. So the money comes at any transactions which happens before 6 p.m. will be transferred to your account at 6 p.m. and otherwise like it will be happening in your account after a day, the next day morning at 11 a.m. Typically if you go and actually open an account with any of the payment gateway provider, they usually give T+1. For our customers, we parked extra money with the payment providers and we are giving a settlement of like I think 2 times in a same day. All right, so now that we made a payment, what have we got? We got a receipt. So your customers will get a receipt like this saying that hey, okay, it's loading here in your screen. They get a receipt saying that this much money is paid. Right? Earlier, along with the payment link, they would have also got an invoice for the similar amount. I think it takes some time to load, but it shows up there. If you see here, you're seeing invoice and receipt that is shared with the customers. Now, how does it help? If you have like 500 customers, 100 customers, maintaining the payment status and figuring out who has paid, who has not paid on a monthly cycle is a huge challenge. With Saksham subscriptions and HoSaksham, we solve this problem. All right. So you can also see the payments on a real-time basis. So you can see the stats. Overall, how much money is collected today, how much money is collected this week, how much money is collected overall, what is pending amount, what is the total due, and how much money came in your bank account. We also have ability to map different bank accounts. Suppose you have like your three partners probably have three different bank accounts. At a subscription level, you can say like I think all the settlements that come in this account will go into that particular account. Suppose let us say that Apurva Fitness batch, all the payments that are made will go to this. We're not just doing